So this is what you said, you're satisfied with your parking. Although you also said that you are away from the curb, but you still say that yes, you are satisfied with your parking. You may drive on when you're ready, madam.
At the end of the road, turn right, A5, Stone Growth. Turn right. After 300 yards, go right on the roundabout and take the third exit, A410, Spurt Road. Go right on the roundabout and take the third exit, A410, Spurt Road. After 300 yards, go right on the roundabout and take the second exit, A41, Edgware Way. right on the roundabout and take the second exit. Take the exit A41 Edgware Way. After 400 yards,
Madam, you have to
go
drive on the
straight on
driving lane, please.
A41 Edgware
The
Way.
one you are driving
then
is
turn
overtaking
right.
lane.
Go straight on, then turn right.
So the next traffic light we will be turning right. So this one you're going straight, the second one you're turning right.
Okay.
They both are very close to each other.
Okay.
The next one is gonna come soon. Can you see the sign there, madam? We're turning right.
Yeah.
After 100 yards, turn right, Broadfields Avenue.
Turning right on this traffic light, madam.
Turn right. After 200 yards, go left on the roundabout and take the first exit, A5100 Hale Lane. Go left on the roundabout and take the first exit. After 200 yards, turn right, Farm Road, then turn left. Turn right, then turn left.
Are we parking somewhere?
After 90 yards, turn left, Deans Way. Turn left.
If you can pull up on the right hand side somewhere safe, please.
After 200 yards, turn right, A5109, Deans Lane.
And if you can reverse 2 car lengths back in a straight line, try to keep the car straight and parallel to the curb and reasonably close to the curb. And don't worry about the blocking of the driveway for this occasion when you finish the 2 car length.
Okay, thank you.
Drive on when you're ready and rejoin the traffic, please.
After 80 yards, turn right, A5109, Deans Lane. After 300 yards, go left on the roundabout and take the first exit, Deansbrook Road. Go left on the roundabout and take the first exit, Deansbrook Road. After 200 yards, turn right, Lyndhurst Avenue, then turn left. Turn right, then turn left. Turn left, Eversfield Gardens, then turn left. Turn left, Woodcroft Avenue, then you have reached your destination.
You can pull up on the left hand side somewhere, safe place. Don't worry about the single yellow line for this occasion. Just by the tree for us, please. Yeah, just a little bit further down, keep going, just a little bit more so that we don't block the driveway. Just a bit more, a little bit more. That's all right, thank you. That's fine, thank you very much. And if you can secure the car. So if you're in actual test, then you will be driving inside the test center's car park, and then you will be finishing there. So you won't be finishing here. Okay, so you'll be finishing inside the
Is it
test.
nearby?
Yeah, it's just right in front of you.
Okay.
Okay, so if you just keep going straight ahead, then you can see the test center. Okay, now just give me 2 minutes. You also relax yourself. Okay, and let me see what is your marking here. Okay, so only yeah, you can switch off the engine because it's going to be a little bit talking now. So that's the end of the test. What do you think? You pass, fail?
Mm,
And if you fail, then where did you fail? If you pass, where
one
did you
time you
pass?
break the
Mhm.
you break,
I braked, yeah.
and one.
Where did I brake?
Hmm?
Where did I brake? Where did you feel that I braked?
Because that man was reversing.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't
Okay.
notice on that.
Okay.
The time I didn't focus on the roundabout, and you pull my
Steering wheel.
yeah, steering wheel.
No, so we'll come back to the steering wheel back again, but the brake is so you only notice that one time brake where I braked, like when
I
that
think
guy was
2 times.
reversing. 2 times? Where the second time?
No, one time.
One time, okay. So that one time you realized that
And,
when the car was reversing and I braked, that one you recall
No,
it.
the time also, but I forgot which situation.
Okay, so do you remember that second brake though?
Break one was, I remember, just recently.
Yeah.
So
The second one you don't remember. Okay,
no.
that's all right. That's all right. Anything else apart from that? The steering wheel, you mentioned that the steering wheel. You think that I have grabbed the steering wheel.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm. Okay. Anything else?
that parallel parking.
What happened with that?
It was very far away,
Uh-huh.
and
So very far away. So you did say to yourself, like by yourself, that, oh, I'm very far away. But then still examiner said, are you satisfied with your parking? And then you still said, yes. So at one occasion you said you're very far away, and on the second time you just say that,
the
yeah, I'm fine.
satisfied because it was straight, right?
Okay. Well, whatever your understanding
Yeah,
is.
but
Yeah. So because you thought it's straight, that's why you're satisfied. Yeah.
yeah, but legally we have to park as much as we can do near the curb.
And that's what he asked for, didn't he?
Yeah.
So you think that is the only way, or that is the only much you can go? You can't go further than that.
I could go.
Then why didn't you go then?
So we can take as much as take time,
Did he say anything while you were reversing? You already take another, let's say, good 2-3 minutes already.
Mm.
Do you think he's gonna be telling you off that, oh no, you can't do that, let's go away? Is that what you think?
Yeah.
So you're mixing information by yourself
Mm.
and twisting it by yourself
Mm.
in so many ways.
Mm.
Then, well, you're doing it to yourself.
Mm.
Yeah, he did not say anything to you. Yeah, if he say to you that no, stop, you can't do that, that's different thing. If you think you can, you like, all you need to understand is, will you leave the car like that and go
No.
into your house
No.
or do a shopping?
So we can do correction and go
Yes.
further and
Yes,
reverse and
yes.
any time, many
Everything,
times.
as many times as you like.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can do everything. The goal you need to understand is, can I leave my car like this and go away? If the answer is yes, you're okay with that. If the answer is no, why are you leaving it? Can you not just keep doing it?
Mm.
Yeah. Anything apart from that? No.
Stop line and everything was okay. Then
Stop line, was it okay?
I checked there.
You checked there.
Right side, I check pedestrian, then I check
Pedestrian.
again right side,
How
and then
did
I
you
go.
do that? How did you do that? Whilst you was moving, or whilst you complete that stop?
Little stay like when we are on giveaway line like
Yeah.
that.
So did you stop?
Yeah.
Did you? We'll find out.
We
We'll
have
find
to
out.
no, like some second, like not much.
So that means you didn't stay the full stop, did you? What do you think? Did you do full stop there?
I don't remember.
You didn't
now.
remember that. Okay, we'll see. We'll see. So, but what is your knowledge at the stop line? Do you need a full stop, or you can just
Full stop.
creep a little bit?
Full stop.
Full stop. You remember that, right?
Yeah. Stop means we have to stop.
Stop. Yeah. Okay. Anything else?
Mhm.
Okay. So, the way I have recorded here is because the recording was stopped in the middle of somewhere. So we have 3 parts of this test. So part 1 was the introduction, which is we started in the car park and we gave a little bit of introduction before the start. Then the second part, which is you've been driving from it, and the third part also you will be driving. Okay. So I have recorded these faults in the event of they have occurred in the timeline. So the first fault we are looking here is a part 2. Okay, so the part 2 of the recording, this is where you're going to find out. Okay, so you started the test from the test center. Very good start. You're moving off at the end of the test center's car park. You turned right, you signaled right, you positioned correctly, you gone out, and then you turn right nicely. Then you went to a mini roundabout. You go straight ahead, second exit, very nice as well. Then at the stop line, your knowledge is right that you need to stop. I asked you before, so you said I need to stop Sanket.
Anyhow, and nobody's there, but we have
You
to
still
stop.
have to stop. You know this, right? Yeah.
How long? Like
3 seconds. Yeah, so you have to stop
count-
like 3 seconds there.
count
Why?
1,
Yeah, 2, 3. Yeah.
and then go.
So you don't just like 1, 2, 3. Let's go. You don't need to sleep there. There are 3 seconds is important because some reasons are there. So we at 3 minutes and 5 seconds we were at the stop line. You didn't stop completely. You slow it down, right down, maybe less than a mile, but you didn't stop completely for 3 seconds. So why the 3 seconds is when you stop, you're looking on the right where the roundabout is, mini roundabout. Then you look on the left where the zebra is. Then you look on the right again where the roundabout is. And when things are clear, then you can go. But we just had like, and you go. You didn't look again, even on the right hand side. So that's fail because a mandatory stop, which is required, and we didn't stop. That's a serious fault. I didn't brake myself there because there was a car behind you, and you did creeping speed there. But in general, people also sometimes do this way. So I didn't want to just harsh brake there, okay? Because that car was really far behind us. But that's serious fault for you to fail the test, okay? Just after that, at 3 minutes and 49 seconds, just you pass the stop line, and then I said, pull up on the left hand side somewhere, safe place. Now here he was very, very like rushy there to understand, like you didn't even like finish me the sentence. You straight away start the left signal when there is a left junction there, and then you come very close to the curve. You are actually skimming the curve like, and then you realize, ooh, I can't do this, because you realize that there is a junction there. And then you didn't cancel the signal, but luckily there was nobody in the junction. If somebody's in the junction, I would have asked you to cancel it, because if you maybe misleaded them, but then you didn't cancel it. You still, and then you stopped in a bus stop.
So we have to let
You
him-
stopped in a bus stop. So scraping the curve, you still get away with it. You won't fail it. You won't fail. You won't fail because there's nobody there. Yeah, but you stopped in a bus stop.
We can't.
We can't stop in a bus stop. The bus stop is not safe place, is not legal space, is not convenient space for us as a car driver. We can't stop, pick, drop passengers in the bus stop. Does that make sense?
So if you said you didn't allow me to finish the sentence, right?
yeah,
So
yeah. Because you don't know what I wanted
So
to
when
ask. I
he's
just said pull up on
giving-
the left, and then it's
So
like we
we have,
started.
if it is okay that we can take a time.
Oh yes, who said? Who said to launch the missile now?
I thought it just tell like this, and then we have to
Yeah.
do in this
Particular area.
immediately, right?
Yeah, so that's your myth.
Yeah.
So that's a myth that when he said you have to do it immediately, no way, no. He said to you clearly, do it when it is safe to do so. Okay, so it was a safe place just after the bus stop. There was a nice box there. You can park it there. You can have a look
So
in the
we
video.
have to go in a further, or we can park anywhere, like in a box, or
No,
we
you-
can go the first
Yeah, you
one.
can go any of the boxes. Any of the boxes. Safe, convenient, and legal place. Okay, but that's fail. Then at 8 minutes and 40 seconds, so this one you probably not going to notice. So after that pullover, we drive off. Then there's a roundabout come, we gone straight, and then there's a two vehicles parked on side by side. There's a big bus on the left, there's a car park over there, and then you're going in a full swing. I gotta get through fast. It's like, and then there's a bus coming. The bus also signaling. The bus is coming too. So you and bus is going to meet somewhere in between that parked bus and a parked car. Did you realize that one? Maybe yes, but very late.
Yeah.
Now,
One bus
how
was
many
here,
passengers?
and bus was coming from this
Yeah.
side. It was
And I said
stopped.
sorry as well, isn't
Yeah.
it? So how many passengers you think the bus carries? More than 50.
Yeah.
Something more than that as well.
Yeah.
How many type of the passengers the bus carry? A pregnant woman,
Anybody.
elderly person, child.
Anybody.
Yeah.
Disabled.
Yeah. And now you made that bus a brisk stop so that they can give you way. Because you're coming so fast in a meeting as well. Yeah. But you did stop as well after that. And then I said like, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, because he stopped already for us. So think about the situation. When you're meeting in an area where you want to meet, how you want to meet. Is it safe for me to go rush there, or is that like, let me just relax and then go? Thinking. Okay, so over there again, serious fault of meeting and judgment. Yeah, you did not consider that meeting correctly. So the question is, when did you see the bus?
I was looking this bus and the signal was still on, so I thought I will pass.
Yeah, but
But
when
I-
did you see that bus coming
Yeah,
in? When did
yeah.
you see it?
No, I thought I can
Oh.
pass, like.
Yeah, but with what cost? With the cost of that bus to fully brake for you, with the cost of hitting the vehicles to each other. So you can pass, but not with the cost. You have to pass without the cost. Yeah, so it's not good. Then now 9 minutes and 40 seconds. So just after that meeting situation, mini roundabout, you turn right, and then you're going forward. And then I said that the sat nav said that we're taking the next road on the left, but then you signaled quite early, and I said cancel that. Understand the situation.
No, I didn't find that how far it is.
Then why did you signal?
So then I
Did you
remember
realize-
your.
So on the sat nav, there was a clear marking there as well. You can see that, but you didn't see that.
Then I remember your that sentence that when you look at that, after that you can sign. The same happened.
Then why did you
with the
signal early?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then after
And
that
there was
I
a car
realized.
now next to you. You, as soon as you realize, oh, it's not this left, why didn't you cancel it? So even if you signal left, that's still fine. But as soon as you see the car is there and you think that you are not turning into that road, you have to cancel straight away.
Yeah.
Yeah, then maybe you can get away with the situation, but we don't know. But if you didn't cancel it, I have to cancel it. Otherwise, that car would have pull in front of us, and we would have easily brake for that as well. Serious fault for that. Okay. Now at 10 minutes and 20 seconds, then just after that, I asked the sat nav says turn left. You turn left, and I said pull up on the left hand side just after the car. Don't worry about the highway. Your car was literally on the angle. You didn't make the car straight. Okay, no problem. And you still like this. And now I said, is it straight? Is it like, and then you straight away reversing the car. without looking in the mirror, and you're going back, and I said, look, there's a car going.
But
And
is
then I
it
hit the
allowed
brake.
to reverse or no?
Well, technically you can do anything you like, but in that particular case, why you want to reverse? Just go forward and make a straight wheel.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just go forward and just turn right, and then turns like keep a straight car.
Yeah.
But you straight away reverse. It's all right reverse, but you didn't
Yeah, I
look.
have to
There's a
check.
car going next to you. Like if I didn't hit the brake, you would have.
And when they ask for
Dangerous.
the parallel parking,
Yeah,
everything
we're
on
coming.
road.
We're coming there. So you understand that one? Yeah. So car is not properly parked and with the reverse looking, and that was not safe. Then after emergency stop. Yeah. So I said stop. Okay, that's dangerous as well. At 12 minutes and 50 seconds, instead of using the foot brake, we hit the
Accelerated.
gas. Ooh,
No,
and then it
but
was like,
because
ooh.
of the suddenly.
I know. All right. So anyway, but that's not an emergency stop. In the test, is actually a fail, because if there is a child running in front of you, you instead of using the brake, you use the gas. The child crushed.
So after break was okay or no?
Well, the brake. No. So let me finish. So once you fully braked, and then you need to hold on to the brake until the next instruction. Then the next instruction was drive on when you're ready. And then when you was driving on when you're ready, you didn't look over the shoulders to make the final safety check, and you just like I said, drive on when you're ready. So you don't know what's happening around. Now this is an exercise. Nobody was there, but it's a mandatory check after the emergency stop. Make sure you look around and then you go.
Yeah.
Okay, so don't like rush.
Okay.
Yeah, take your time. Then after parallel parking at 17 minutes and 16 seconds, control completely out of the lane. Yeah, completely out. So he was quite out. We recorded into the video as well that that's not acceptable. You have to be like proper into the bay. Okay.
Yeah.
So in the bay is like you have to proper within the marked curve, or like close to the curb, or within the box if there is a box. Okay. So I have recorded into the video. You can have a look at that as well. Now, part 3, because that's where when I was taking the camera away, the recording stops, and then we record the third part. On the third part, then we have to move after the parking. 1 minute and 20 seconds. The sat nav says end of the road, turn right. You straight away signal right. There was a right turn just there, and then you realize, oh, it's not that right turn. Then you cancel the signal. Luckily there was no one behind you or the side, so you just got away with a minor mistake. But if someone's there, then it's
I
fine.
need to go to
Or
right.
you just make a right turn, then it's fine. But you're not turning right, but your signal is stay on and on. It's not right. Okay. Now at 1 minute and 55 seconds, this is where I brake. This is the first brake I have used. You was moving off in front of the vehicle. So this is a end of this road, and you're turning right now actually, and then you come to a complete like on the middle of the road. You look on the left side. Happy with that. Now this car is coming. Now this guy is not giving you way. How do I know? Is by the speed. He's not slowing down.
I
He's
still
going
not
fast.
remember this. Means
I
I don't.
braked.
Yeah, but I don't know which.
So just after the parallel parking,
Okay.
the same road, end of the road, turn right.
Oh yeah.
And then I braked like this.
Yeah.
And then somebody was stopped actually. The second car did stop completely.
Yeah.
And then you made the move. So that's dangerous because I have to use my foot brake. Now at 6 minutes and 23 seconds, this is where you are done the roundabout, and then second roundabout where I grab the steering wheel as well, because you're going in the wrong direction. You should be going in the A41, and then
It was they mentioned A41,
yes,
but I can't properly read on this
floor. It was completely marked on the floor. The marking is quite nice, clear there. Yeah, you can, if you relook the video, you will see. So you need to see whether the A41 marking is going towards the London. You need to follow that lane, and then the next lane, which is left side, is first is a filter lane, so like it's a fast lane for
Yeah.
who's coming from the Watford to going Edgware. Okay, so you can't go into that lane. Stay on the right lane for now. Then as soon as you just pass the roundabout, you need to just give a mirror signal on the
So
left.
it was wrong. I
Yeah.
did wrong.
Yeah, so you was trying to go on the other side, and that's where I grabbed the steering wheel, and then you stayed on the right lane. Now you didn't signal left. Everybody is now overtaking from the left. 2 cars pass you from the left. Then you move to the left hand side. Then that's the second thing I said. You are driving on a overtaking
No,
lane,
it was
overtaking lane, and then
it was
you
the
change.
right side, right? That the different little bit tricky. That 2 lane here and 1 is here. We have to turn like right side.
Yeah.
So it was okay to turn from that. What it called?
Hedge marking.
Hmm.
No, but you have to signal from there. So you signal there, and as soon as the hatch marking finish,
Finish.
you need to go left.
Right.
But if your signal is on, and if still people are overtaking you, that's not your problem.
So if
But
I
your
am
signal was not
so
on.
if I am in left or right side, right? But I have to come this side after
Later on,
the.
you have to come on the right side. It's later on. So first you need to go back to the left lane, and when the sat nav says that you're now turning right, then you move back to the right lane. Okay, so that's there. And then 12 minute and 15 second, you didn't respond at that reversing guy. I braked, and then the guy who's reversing. And 14 minutes, pull up on the right hand side. I asked you to do it again. You, for the control part, you were completely out of the, like, not nowhere near to the curb. You were completely missed the curb, and you were completely out on the left hand side. I was watching on the left to see whether any vehicles can pass through or not, and they also have to slow down significantly because the area is not very narrow. And at 19 minutes 45 seconds, once again you missing the speed of the oncoming vehicle. Just back there on the road, the vehicles that's coming in front of you, you're going in front of them, and you're not slowing down.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's so serious as well. Okay, so the story is, there is no minor mistake you have done, but very few, 1 or 2, but most of them you did a serious error. Yeah, and the serious error means that you know how to drive, but it's the decisions. You're not making right decisions on a right time. Okay, and that's why this is all happening. So this is what we're facing as well in a normal driving lessons, that when you're driving, you always ask me a question to confirm things. Am I right? Am I doing things correct? Am I? So if someone say that to you, yes or no, then your driving is fine. But if nobody said to you, so you get confused. Am I right? Am I wrong? Am I right? But then you now need to change this habit. Just try to drive as nicely as possible as you can. Let somebody to decide whether your driving is good or not. If they say it's no, try to find out what is wrong in that, and try not to do it again.
Yeah.
So it is not the actual control is the problem.
Yeah.
Technically,
Yeah.
on most of the driving, is actually a planning or
yeah.
awareness
Yeah.
is a problem. Okay.
Yeah.
So if you understand this, then I think many of these mistakes can just go away just like this.
Yeah.
All right. So I wish you understand this video, and if you just re-watch this video again and again, then I think you will understand the route as well.
Yeah.
So understanding the route
I
also is
wanna
going to understand.
do like
Yeah.
about that parallel.
Yeah, we will see that. We'll see how we can do this today. All right. So we'll see you on the next video then.
Okay.
The next
Thank you.
Thank you very much.